Unlocking your real estate investment potential means accurately estimating renovation costs, and Propstream's Rehab calculator is your secret weapon. Let's dive into how this powerful built-in tool can help you estimate renovation costs and project potential returns for both fix and flip and buy and hold strategies. First, we need to input some basic property details. Propstream often prefills much of this if you're working from a known property, but you'll want to confirm the purchase price A circumflex euros, the amount you're acquiring the property for. Now, the heart of the tool, estimating rehab costs. You can get granular here. Think about the big-ticket items: the roof, HVAC system, plumbing, and electrical work. Don't forget the interior finishes like kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, and paint. For each category, you can input your estimated costs. Propstream allows you to break it down further. For instance, by detailing cabinet installation, countertop materials, and appliance packages for your kitchen remodel. Remember to factor in any necessary permits or even unexpected fluff costs for contingencies, which are crucial for accurate budgeting. As you enter these figures, the calculator instantly provides a running subtotal for your estimated rehab expenses, giving you a clear picture of your upfront investment. Next, we need to determine the after-repair value, or ARV. This is the estimated market value of the property after all renovations are completed. You can input this manually, or leverage Propstream's CMA tools to get a data-driven estimate. We also need to account for holding costs A circumflex euros. Think property taxes, insurance, and utilities during the renovation period A circumflex euros, and selling costs, which include agent commissions and closing fees. With all these inputs, the rehab calculator then projects your potential profit, the total cash needed for the project, and your return on investment. This is where you see the true potential of your deal. Whether you're flipping for a quick profit or buying and holding for long-term cash flow, this calculator helps you analyze the numbers for both strategies, ensuring you make informed decisions. Mastering the Propstream Rehab calculator empowers you to confidently evaluate real estate investment opportunities. Start using it today to maximize your returns.